All right, Carson's going to open a gift.
What is it,
Get it, Carson.
Get in there.
Get it. Yeah, good job. You get it. What is it? Oh!
Christmas penguin.
Is it your toy? I think we had one of those last year, and then
That's all that's in there.
got destroyed.
Here, this one's Merlin's.
Merly won't eat it. It won't open it. Carsey, why don't you open it?
Carsey, help. No, this one.
He wants the other one because it's...
Carson,
Carsey, open it.
get in there.
Come on. Come on. Good job. Oh, cool. Good job. Yay. Good job. He's like, I really want this one. All right, last one for the dogs for a little while. Yeah, this is the one I really want. What's in it? Get it.
Carsey? You gotta open it.
Get it, Carsey.
Open it up.
Get it. Open it.
This one's tough. Get in there.
Get it.
Open it.
Hurry. There you go. Get on there.
Use your snout. There you go. Open it up.
Open it up. It's not done yet. Whoa. Dog chews.
All right.
All right. That's all. Bye-bye.